Hi guys, I'm Gray Buck, Major League Fishing Pro, and today I want to talk to you about the Aqua-Vu Micro Revolution 5.0 Pro. This is the original box it comes in. You can see I have mine out already. I've used this thing a bunch already this year. I really like it. Small, compact, and convenient is the best parts about this. I keep the original box it comes in. It's got this really nice box. It's magnetic there, so it holds it shut. This is where I store all the parts. You put your micro in there, you got your charging cable and all that stuff. Keeps it nice and organized. You don't have to worry about losing it. So highly recommend keeping the box. Good way to get started. So to get started, I want to show you the charging system they have here. It's an adapter. It's got a USB port here that you use to actually plug in your charger. You can see it just attaches right to the side of it. I'll show you in 1 second. It's got a red light here. When it's charged fully, it'll turn green. That way you know it's ready to go, and then you unpack that, breaks down nice and small, put it back in your box, good shape. So the neat thing about this charger here is it's actually magnetic. So it can only fit one way. You can see it's got 5 little spots there. Get it close, sucks it right on, just like that. Pretty cool. Really ingenious. I've never seen one that charges like this. Maybe there's other things out there, but you can't get it wrong. They have like the reverse polarity, so when you try to push it on there backwards, not gonna happen. Put it on there, make sure it seats, set it down, let it charge. Once it charges up, I've been super impressed with the battery life on this. I've probably charged it 2 or 3 times this year. And I always have it either in my Bass Cat. I'll take it over in my small electric boat that I use and fish in local lakes. If I'm going with a buddy, I'll hop in his boat. I always bring this with me. It's super convenient, and it's great to have when you got a water situation clear, you're fishing deep, you just want to see down to the bottom, see what kind of bait's down there. It all around is a great equipment tool. You'll learn a lot from it. So that's why I really like this. I want to show you the system here. Let me get this 1 second. I gotta unlock it. I want to get one more cable so I can show you the camera. So this is how it'll get wormed and set up through here. You adjust this depending on, if you go straight up and down, you're gonna get the horizontal view. If you bring it forward, it's gonna go down. If you bring it back, it's gonna rock it back. The important thing with setting this camera up is make sure the camera side is on the flat side. Here you can see it kind of curves in here. It just makes it set correctly. So it's just like that. Here we have our Aqua-Vu. That's the weight. This pinches right on there. Make sure you have this. That's important because when you're dropping this over the side of your boat, it's going to make it go down a lot quicker. You have 60, sorry about that. We have 60 foot of cable on the spool here. So when I'm fishing for smallmouth or even largemouth, when you're fishing for that deep water, I can personally tell you I've never caught one over 60 foot. I know they get out there, but I'm not looking for them if they're out there. So that 20 to 30, this is plenty of cable for getting out there. What's cool about this is it has its revolutionary rotary spool on it. So it allows you to quickly let your line out over the side of the boat just like that. It just spins right off, pull it. And this wire is so thin and like it's very durable, don't get me wrong there, but it's easy. You just reel it right back in just like that. It comes up real fast. It puts it right back on that spooling system. You get to that spot. There's actually one on each side that has a notch on there. So you can flip up that piece there. When you have it in your boat, it's not going to keep unwinding on you. You can take this piece here, fold it down. You can take your clip off. Your camera will snap right back into there. And you put it right back in the box. All super easy. You don't have to get around playing with a whole bunch of it, messing with it, trying to get the system all organized. So the last thing, I want to plug this back in one more time. I actually needed to charge it this, but we can see, I want to show you how it works, and I want to show you the camera and all that up close. So we're going to turn our power on. It'll say Micro Aqua-Vu. This is their 5-inch display. You can see here it's showing it charging right now. If I unplug it, actually it might die, I'm not sure, but it'll show a battery. Yeah, see, it shows that little red one. So we plug it back in, just like that. We're charging again. It shows the time over here. You got your camera. We can say, hello. Or we see, oh, there's the garage, there's my boat. Or what's the best is when you take that down there and you actually drop it And the smallmouth are like, oh, what's that? They gotta come over. Everybody comes over. The whole school comes over and they're looking at your AquaView, looking in it. Really neat technology. So check that out. It has a record option. You can go through the menu. There's some settings you can adjust. Just like that, the spray brightness, what else we got there? On-screen units, just all depends what you're looking for here. You kind of go through it all, get it set up to your preferences. So it's pretty neat. Do I have anything recorded? So that's from the other day when I was playing with it. Should have actually taken one. I didn't save it when I was out there. I had a bunch of smallmouth around it the other day. I'll get you guys some video later this year to show you that. But let's do one just real quick. So we're gonna record. You can see that button up there in the top corner. Looking around. We got some cameras. We got myself. Oh, bass catcher. That's pretty nice, right now. What else? Ooh, there's the Wall of Z-Man stuff. We got some Striker rain gear over there. So, okay. So then you hit record again. You can see the red dot stopped. Go menu. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Then you're gonna find your file. So it's recorded for 19 seconds. Hit that there, and it plays it back. So what's really cool about that is when you have a school down there, so take Lake Erie for instance, last year when I was out in Sandusky, you couldn't tell a lot of times with your Lowrance electronics if you were looking at drum, smallmouth, or walleye. But when I would drop that camera down there, you'd see something streak by real fast. And you'd kind of get a general idea what you were looking at, but you're sometimes second guessing where was that a walleye tail, was that a bass tail, was that a drum tail? With this record feature, I can go back and watch it again now. So that's pretty cool. It's gonna be very valuable. I can't tell you how much this has played a game in helping my smallmouth fishing. So check it out. If you want to get a discount code on it or anything like that, shoot me a message. I might be able to hook you up. Use the link below if you don't mind clicking on that. And if you're going to take a look at these, it just kind of shows them some people I drove to their website. If you have any questions, make sure you send me a message either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can put it on the YouTube channel here. Thanks for watching today. Appreciate you guys. And if you don't